Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Patrick here with us this morning, and Patrick drove, a little over 2 hours to get here from Lufkin, Texas.
Yes.
To see us. He's a crack addict, YouTube fan up in Lufkin. Meant that nicely. Capitation addict. Okay, relax your arms for me. Now you can tell that Patrick played football in high school. He was a tackle and a guard. So I'm gonna have you flex your head forward and then backwards for me. And then neutral. Yep. See, his head's way forward in his posture. That's why his shoulders are starting to round forward, and he's got this little hump developing up here. His ear's dropping all the way out here in front of his clavicle. It should be back here over his shoulders. And he's a stomach and side sleeper. Yeah. And his pelvis is shifted to the right of center down here, or to the left of center, I mean, on the x-axis. And I was checking his leg length, and his right leg's short by about 1/2 inch, and then I'm bringing it up, it gets even, so that tells me his SI joints are subluxated. I've already done his orthopedic neurological evaluation, and he's 5x5 on his muscle strength, upper and lower, and then also +2 equal and active on his reflexes. Okay, Patrick, let's lay you on your stomach again.
This is his first time ever seeing a chiropractor.
This is his very first time getting an adjustment here. Anywhere ever, for that matter.
Yep.
Left leg is short now. Okay. Does that tighten up still in your low back? Okay. So I'm going to start off with your pelvis first.
Oh, it scared me.
Yeah. That's just the table dropping. I haven't even started adjusting yet. Patrick said he used to weigh over 500 pounds when he was playing football. He's still a big boy. He's giving me a workout just checking his strength. There. That's it. Now some of these are going to be a little sore here at first, Patrick, just because they've been out for so long. There we go.
Oh.
Okay, just keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Man. Okay. Yeah, both of my feet about left the ground on that one. All right. The legs are even now. Tell me if this hurts a little less than the first one did.
Oh yeah, way less.
Okay, so I'm still going to adjust your sacrum one more time. Right there. Yep. Okay, lift up just a second. There you go. Okay, now you can put your face right back down in that piece. There you go. You got a heavy head too. You got a lot on your mind. You're hard-headed. I'll have to ask your wife. Now this little hump right here is oftentimes called Dowager's hump, and it's from the head being so far forward. So you notice I adjusted that down here at T1 for that. Let's go on your back.
Oh. Yeah, that was a little different.
Now we're just getting started, man. There we go. Good. Now slide down about 1 inch.
Which way?
This way. Yep. And now put your arms straight out, palms up like Jesus on the cross. Okay. Wow. The table is actually holding it. Good. Excellent. Yep. Adjusting your shoulders, your clavicles, and your ribs now. This will help you square those shoulders off. Now you can put your hands on your tummy. I want you to relax your leg in my hand here. There we go.
Oh.
Now you should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Woo!
Yes, sir. There.
Oh.
Boy. That was a home run.
Oh yeah.
You felt that all the way up your hips, didn't you?
Yeah.
I'm going to set you up and face towards your lovely wife.
Oh. That was a blessing.
Yeah. We'll wait till we get to the ring dinger. There we go. See, just moving his arms around, I get a workout. There. Well, you noisy all over. The crack addicts are gonna love you.
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's noisier inside though, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I know it's gonna feel way better.
Oh yeah. Probably already are feeling a little better. Okay, so we're gonna move on over here to the decompression table. And I'm gonna have you lay on your spine, huh? Lay on your back with your butt right here, head up that way.
Okay.
Justin, if you're watching this, we really need our pins. There we go. Slide down underneath that just a little bit for me, if you would.
Sorry, which one?
Down this way, just a little where your hip's right underneath that pin. Okay, now this is gonna feel tight, Patrick,
Okay.
and it should.
Yeah, a little snubby.
Yeah. I don't want you to get away. Just let your legs relax and bend naturally. This is how I want you to start sleeping, by the way.
Yeah, I do need a new bed.
Well, I didn't say that. You can just get a clothes basket and put a pillow on top of it, duct tape it, or a clothes basket like those plastic storage bins, and put a pillow on top of it and duct tape it. You just want to have your legs up parallel with the floor. Does that feel more relaxed in your back?
Yeah.
Yep. I know people go, oh, people don't sleep like that, but we got patients that sleep like that every night, including myself. Okay, breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh.
It's a home run.
Oh. Wow.
Now, he does have reflexes. Okay, Patrick, drop your head in my hands like you're sleeping. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake there.
Oh.
Well, you
Feel
just
like I
got,
can breathe better.
yeah. This will make you function better all the way around. There we go. Kind of help you up sideways. Bring your legs over to the side. There you go.
Oh.
All right, we're going to stand up here in front of the mirror again. Now I'm going to shoot you. Welcome to Houston. Okay. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. And then neutral. Pull these shoulders up and back. Head straight back, and there you go. A little bit more. Where you, that's it. You feel a little tap there. There. Okay, now relax. And let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. This should feel a little smoother.
Oh,
to you.
yeah.
Feel like put a little WD-40 in there?
Oh, yeah.
See how his head's up and back further than it was? See how he's standing up straighter, shoulders squared off more? Yep. And look at the spacing's better down here now too.
I feel way better.
So everybody always wants to know how the very first adjustment was from a new patient. So what would you tell our YouTube crack addict fans out there about how you feel after your very first adjustment?
Wonderful. Y'all, if you know like I know, you better come see me.
All right, well, you heard it from Patrick. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And remember, if you're a Harris County Sheriff's Department or Houston PD that's been working overtime on all the flooding emergencies and stuff, we are helping you by adjusting you at no charge during this time frame for servicing our community. We thank you for all your service and your hard work and dedication. This is your Houston chiropractor. We'll see y'all next time.